Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of homemade treats with the ultimate cake pop maker kit. This isn't just any kit, it's touted as the best cake pop roller machine you can find on the market. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or looking to impress at your next gathering, this kit promises to elevate your dessert game to new heights. Let's explore what makes this product a must-have. Crafted by SINBRLAI. This cake pop maker kit isn't just about convenience, it's a comprehensive set designed for creativity and ease of use. It comes with everything you need to create delectable cake pops, lollipops, chocolates, and more. Let's break down what's included in this 652-piece kit. Inside, you'll find 150 cake pop bags, 100 cake pop sticks, and 50 lollipop sticks, ensuring you have enough for various sweet creations. Enhance your desserts with a decorating pen and a four-headed food writing pen, perfect for adding intricate designs. The kit features food-grade paper and stainless steel components, ensuring safety and durability. Not limited to cake pops, this kit extends to cookies, candies, and cupcakes, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Easy to use and sturdy, according to numerous enthusiasts who have tried and tested this kit. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, preparing for a wedding, or simply indulging in some creative baking, this cake pop maker kit offers endless possibilities. It's designed to bring joy and a sense of accomplishment to your baking endeavors. In conclusion, the SINBRLAI Cake Pop Maker Kit stands out as a comprehensive solution for anyone passionate about baking and creating delightful treats. With its array of tools and quality materials, it's easy to see why it's considered one of the best in its class. If you're ready to elevate your dessert game, this kit might just be your new favorite tool in the kitchen. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy baking!